Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of Shop as a Customer, using the plugin from the admin panel. In this video, I will show you how to use the Shop as Customer plugin directly from the WordPress admin panel. Let's get started. First, go to the top right corner of your WordPress dashboard. You will see an option called Switch to Customer. Click on it to open a pop-up. In this pop-up, you can search for a customer by typing their email address in the search bar. The plugin will show the matching results. Select the customer you want to switch to. Once you have selected the customer, click on the Switch button. You will now be viewing the store as if you were that customer. From the pop-up, you can also view the customer's order history. Just click on View Orders to see their complete, pending, and canceled orders. If you need to update customer details, click on Edit Profile. In the customer's profile, you can edit their name, email address, or even update their password. Once changes are added, scroll down and click on Update User. Once you are done, go to the home page. Simply click on the Switchback button at the top to return to admin mode. And that's it. In this video, we have explored how to use the Shop as Customer plugin directly from the admin panel. We have learned how to switch to a customer's account, view their order details, edit their profile, and seamlessly switch back to admin mode. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.